This is the SafeRest Zippered Mattress Protector. Comes in different sizes, comes in the Twin X, the Full XL, Queen, King, California King. Comes in 12 to 15 deep, 6 to 9 inches deep, 9 to 12 inches deep, oh baby, 15 to 18 inches deep, and 6 inches deep. So this is the second one that I bought. The advantage of this thing, you put this over your mattress. Now I bought a mattress, it's a foam mattress, and the cover that came with it, I didn't really have the, I'll be honest, I didn't have the bed sheet on there, and I just had the mattress cover. Yeah, I'm smiling as I'm talking. I had the mattress cover, and it's absolutely filthy because the dog goes on the bed all the time and she rolls around and sleeps on it and she likes to chew on it. So I needed something to cover that up. And that cover came with the mattress. So the dog rolled all over the outer cover, and I want to keep the outer cover on there because it came with the mattress. Even though it's been washed, it's kind of nasty. You can't cover that thing up with a sheet, and that's why you buy something like this. This is a mattress encasement. It's got a zipper on it, a micro zipper. It is fine enough that it should keep out the bed bugs, protect against fluids. I don't really know if that's true. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't spill things on the mattress, and if you're really worried about having a waterproof cover, you need to buy a plastic cover that really is waterproof, not one of these cloth things where liquid can soak through. Bacteria, yeah, I'll give them that. So the price is really good. It is on sale. It's been on sale forever for 45% off, so this is probably just the price. I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description. And why do you buy this? You buy this so that you have a mattress, it's got the original cover over it, and then you usually put sheets on there. And when you take the sheets off, that cover, if you have a bottom sheet, fine, that cover is going to be protected. But this is a little bit easier, so you leave the original cover alone, and you just buy this from SafeRest, put this on the mattress, and then when you need to do the cleaning, you unzip this, you put it on. You put it in the washer, obviously, to wash it, and then you put it on the mattress, and you don't have to mess with taking off that original cover, which is really difficult to remove, and especially on a foam mattress. It's very hard to remove, it's extremely hard to put back on, and they are super thin, and they are ready to fall apart. That's why I had to buy this. So I'll leave a link if you want to buy this. Hopefully the video helped you. Do that thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. Affiliate links in the video description to purchase this or to donate to keep my channel going. And if you don't want to, that's okay. I still recommend buying something like this. They're very valuable to keep cleaning, a lot easier than it is if you just deal with the original mattress cover.